Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, manufacturing of second Zorawar light tank commences. Larsen and Toubro, in collaboration with the DRDO, has begun manufacturing the second prototype of the Zorawar light tank, marking a significant stride in India's indigenous defense capabilities. This development comes as the Indian Army gears up to conduct extensive trials on the first prototype of this new light tank, designed specifically for high-altitude warfare. The second prototype's manufacturing signifies an acceleration in the development process, providing the Army with an opportunity to compare and refine the tank's design based on feedback from the ongoing trials. The Indian Army has expressed intentions to induct up to 354 units of the tank, highlighting its strategic importance in modernizing the country's armored forces for operations in rugged and high-altitude areas where traditional heavy tanks struggle. Next, Su57E with new engines still far away from production. A senior Indian Air Force official shed light on the delayed timeline for the Su57E, the export variant of Russia's fifth-generation stealth fighter. The official stated that the Su57E, equipped with the latest AL-51F engine and 2D thrust vector control nozzles, is at least 4 to 5 years away from production readiness. Russia has showcased Su57E with a stealth engine casing and other enhancements, but it remains unclear if the export version offered to India would include these upgrades. Even if these features are incorporated, the production timeline for such a variant would extend well into the latter half of the decade. Next, Brahmos NG on track for trials by late 2027. The next generation Brahmos NG missile, currently under development, is slated to enter its trial phase by late 2027 or early 2028, according to an official. This advancement marks a significant step in enhancing India's aerial strike capabilities, with a missile designed for versatility across various fighter jet platforms, including smaller aircraft. The official revealed that the project is progressing smoothly. The design blueprint for the new missile has been finalized, and we are now moving toward the development phase. This phase will see Brahmos Aerospace conducting captive flight trials starting in 2026. Next, development of HALE UAV for ISTAR mission. DRDO is making significant strides in unmanned aerial technology with the development of a high-altitude, long-endurance, that is HALE, unmanned aerial vehicle UAV, specifically designed for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition and reconnaissance, that is ISTAR roles. This new UAV is poised to enhance India's aerial surveillance capabilities with its advanced specifications. The UAV is designed to be a 5-ton platform making it robust enough to carry substantial equipment for various mission profiles. It will have a payload capacity of 2 tons, allowing it to be equipped with a variety of sensors, cameras, and potentially offensive capabilities for ISTAR missions. Next, rising concerns over Chinese acquisition of Rotex engine. In a development that has sparked security and strategic concerns, the acquisition of Rotex engines by a Chinese group has raised eyebrows across various nations, including India. Rotex engines manufactured by Austria's BRP Rotex GmbH and Company KG, which is owned by Canada's Bombardier Recreational Products, that is BRP, are pivotal in several aviation applications, notably in unmanned aerial vehicles. Known for their reliability and performance, Rotex engines are used in a wide array of applications, from ultra-light aircraft to personal watercraft. Their small, powerful engines have made them popular in the UAV sector. Next, securing major contract for NBC Suits with Indian military. Shiva Texyarn Limited, a well-established name in the textile industry, has clinched a significant contract from the Department of Military Affairs for the supply of 16,000 pairs of nuclear, biological and chemical suits, that is NBC. Specifically the permeable MKV model. This deal marks a notable achievement for the company, reflecting its prowess in producing high-quality protective gear that adheres to the rigorous standards of the Indian Armed Forces. The permeable MKV suits are engineered to meet the stringent standards required for modern defense operations. These suits are lightweight, durable, and capable of offering extended protection in extreme environments. Next, Biden administration is considered to be the most pro-Indian administrations. The outgoing Biden administration was one of the most pro-Indian administration in decades and will be a tough act to follow, an eminent expert has said, observing that Trump 2.0 administration will be one that believes in great power politics, not strategic altruism. The outgoing Biden administration was one of the most pro-Indian administration in decades and will be a tough act. Ties with India were cemented because of the belief that India's rise is in and of itself important to American national security interests. Thank you.